Hey there, retirees and soon-to-be retirees. Let's talk about your 401k and why rolling it over into a fixed index annuity might just be the smartest move you can make for your golden years. Now, I know 401ks are the classic retirement savings plan, but what if you could get more peace of mind, more control, and a safety net from the roller coaster ride of the stock market? That's where fixed index annuities come in. So what exactly is a fixed index annuity? Let's keep it simple. It's a type of insurance product, not an investment. You put a lump sum, usually by rolling over your 401k in exchange. You get the potential to grow your money based on a stock market index like the S&P 500. But here's the catch. You're not actually in the market. Why does that matter? Because even if the market tanks, your principal is protected. That's right. No more losing sleep watching your retirement savings drop during a bad year with a fixed index annuity. Your worst case scenario is earning 0% interest for that year, not losing your hard-earned dollars. Now let's talk benefits. First, market loss protection. Unlike your 401k, which can fluctuate with every headline and market dip, a fixed index annuity guarantees you won't lose money due to market downturns. That's a big deal, especially when you're on a fixed income. Second, growth potential. Your money can still grow, often faster than a traditional savings account, thanks to being linked to a market index. Some annuities even offer bonuses for signing up or loyalty. Third, predictable income. Many retirees worry about outliving their savings. With a fixed index annuity, you can set it up to pay you a steady stream of income for life, no matter how long you live. Think of it like a personal pension, only you are in control. Unlike the strict rules around 401ks, many annuities let you choose how and when you want to take income. You can even customize features like legacy planning for your loved ones. Of course, every financial product has pros and cons. Annuities can have fees, surrender charges, and some limits on how much you can earn each year. But for a lot of retirees, the advantages, market protection, growth, and guaranteed income make them a powerful tool. If you're looking to maximize your retirement and sleep better at night, talk to a financial professional about whether rolling over your 401k into a fixed index annuity is right for you. Remember, your retirement should be about enjoying life, not worrying about your money. Thanks for watching, and here's to a secure and happy retirement.